Have you ever wanted to share your Tide account with someone, whether it's a family member, friend, or business partner? Maybe you need them to help you manage your finances or make a payment on your behalf. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple process of granting someone access to your Tide account. Imagine you're on vacation, enjoying the sun and sand, and suddenly realize you need to make an urgent payment. What do? With Tide, you can easily authorize someone you trust to handle your financial matters, even from afar. Understanding the different access levels. Before we dive into the steps, it's important to understand the different access levels you can grant to someone. There are two main options. Limited access. This level allows the person to view your account balance, transaction history, and make payments on your behalf. Full access. This level grants the person complete control over your account, including the ability to transfer funds, add or remove cards, and change your account settings. Choose the level that best suits your needs and the relationship you have with the person. Step-by-step guide. Log into your Tide account. Open your Tide app or visit the website. Enter your login credentials and tap or click Login. Navigate to Settings. Once logged in, look for the Settings or Preferences section. It's usually located in the bottom navigation bar or in a drop-down menu. Find the Access or Sharing option. Within the Settings menu, you should find an option related to access, sharing, or authorizations. Add a new user. Tap or click on the Add New User or similar button. You may be prompted to enter the person's email address or phone number. Select Access Level. Choose the desired access level for the person, limited or full. Verify and confirm. You may need to verify your identity or confirm your decision by entering a security code or password. Invite the user. Tide will send an invitation to the person's email or phone. They'll need to accept the invitation to gain access to your account. Additional tips. Communicate clearly. Before granting access, ensure you have a clear understanding of what you want the person to be able to do with your account. Review regularly. Periodically review the access level you've granted to the person and make any necessary adjustments. Protect your account. Always use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication to enhance your account security. Granting someone access to your Tide account can be a convenient way to manage your finances and get help when you need it. By following these simple steps, you can easily authorize someone to view or manage your account. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time. Remember, if you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Tide's customer support.